going on, you guys? Finally have a swing trade breakdown I can do. It's been a full week now since I've even entered a trade, mostly because of the crazy market conditions, reaching, my loss limit for the week early on. So finally got in on another trade, and this one's on the copper futures. So let's kind of go over why I got into it. You can see here, oops, hang on one second. There we go. I posted this in the swing trading channel before I entered this position. We can see big rejection here, turned into support. Haven't really revisited that level other than breaking through it. I wasn't sure which direction. I was more leaning for a buy play here, a break and retest to turn into support. Obviously, that didn't happen. We never really got confirmation to the upside, never really pushed away from the zone too much. So I did not enter, obviously, waited, saw that price broke strongly below that level, and now I'm looking for a retest in the opposite direction. So that's kind of the thought process behind this trade. I posted that a little bit ahead. And now if we look at the live chart, we can see, zoom in here. So this is the candle I got in on. You can see the retest. We started to see a rejection there moving down. So once I started to see those strong rejections come in, that's where I got in, stop loss near the top of the zone, targeting a straight 2-to-1 per usual. This green line here is really where the next level of support is. If we go all the way back historically, we can see that area repeatedly price has bounced off of. So definitely have to be aware of that level and not really trying to hold any longer than that. But we're in two contracts for a risk of around $180. With only two contracts, it's hard to manage the position so much and scale out. So the game plan will be right around the 1-to-1 risk to reward. Probably will take one off unless there's really no buying going on. Then I'll hold it for longer. And then the first sign of buying that we see, I'll take that first contract off. Not going to move my stop loss. Just going to leave it where it is so that the trade has room to breathe. And then try and hold that second contract either to 2-to-1 or this level here, depending on what we're seeing on the chart. But yeah, I love this setup. It meets my criteria of a classic break and retest. So all we do now is let the market do its thing.